उनको भी बोलेंगे कि है अजय राम।
I want to play like a small game of rapid fire with you. ठीक है, so I'll give you some instances and you have to answer them in movies, like either movies that you have acted in or any movie. ठीक है, so the first word for you is ममता दीदी.
ममता दीदी
भाई कितना धुला हुआ पीछे से।
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
The condition of the BJP in Bengal.
It's like it's so bad that I can't even put it into a word actually. I have to think really, really hard. Yeah.
That defeats the
That
purpose
would
of
be
a
like
rapid
if you
fire.
that would be रात गई बात गई.
Okay. And okay, like the current situation in Bengal.
हमसे है मुकाबला.
Your poll prospects.
हम होंगे कामयाब.
And like the response that you're getting from the people.
और प्यार हो गया.
आज तो मन भर गया मेरा यहाँ पे आके आप सबको देख के। और देखिए आई मैं कलकत्ता से हूँ, सही बात है, लेकिन आपके घर की बेटी बनने आई हूँ।
करके आप लोग जानेगा, कोई निराश नहीं होगा, इतना मन में आप लोग विश्वास रखिएगा।
अरे बाबा.
You were an avid tennis player, table tennis player back in school. হ্যাঁ, তখন এক রকমের খেলা ছিল. এই খেলার কি রকম প্রিপারেশন চলছে?
How does it look?
खेला हमें, खेला हमें, खेला हमें. Thank you.
I mean, I want to hear it from you.
No, I think it's great, and it's not only about me. Like back in school, it's totally about me, whether I want to play or not. But as far as this Khala is concerned, it's about people. They want to play it hard this time because it's a very different sort of election campaign. It is a very different of election on the whole. So ये सिर्फ मेरे बारे में तो है नहीं, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी मिला के बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो है उनको भी वही समझ में आता है. तो सिर्फ मेरे लिए खेला हुआ भी नहीं है, सबके लिए था. तो खेला हुआ बे.
The online trolling and like the death threats that you got. How has it affected you on a personal level?
Oh, it is. It did a lot of damage back then, and more than me, my parents. Like, once you're an actor and you get this galleries of compliments and people say only good things about you, and specifically about me. Like, I've been a very pasandida actor, like they say, for everybody. But the moment I started being vocal politically, and especially when this whole controversy happened, I could see that there was this entire rift that was created, and my audience was divided, and most of them became, what should I say, this IT cell cadres, if I can say that, yeah. So, and then that was really sad because I was a little annoyed or upset, like you could say, but my parents got majorly affected. But then that's a part and parcel of life, and then when I decided that, okay, I think this is probably the time that I need to come to politics, and I need to have a thick skin. So I did a little bit of counseling for my parents too, and now, like you can see, I'm pretty seasoned as far as trolling and stuff is concerned.
Were you approached by any other party?
I have been approached a lot many times, but no, I don't think there is any alternative to Mamata Banerjee right now. Like that I've been going through a lot of bitter personal experience when BJP is concerned, but then Mamata Banerjee came to my rescue and she was there beside me.
From heels on a red carpet to sneakers on the streets, how does it feel?
Yeah, I have always been an independent actor. Okay, so I was not the kinds who would sit in a caravan and, you know, like sit in the AC. And even when Didi asked me, like, you want to do politics, I was like, yes, of course I want to do it, but I don't want to do it sitting in a thanda ghar. I wanted to be out on the road and I wanted to do politics like her. As in, you know, she walks. She's a street fighter and things like that. So then this was the best way that I could do it. And as far as sneakers are concerned, sneakers are my go-to shoes. So one needs to wear that. I cannot be wearing heels and running here. And I love people. I love their excitement. I feel like running when I see them. So there is a crowd and they're waiting for me and I just can't control myself, so I kind of run. So sneakers help me.
Campaigning.
It is very hectic, but like I said, I've been doing independent films, so I am used to doing schedules for 17-18 hours of shoot. But yes, too many people to deal with, and different people, different sorts of people, kids, elderly people, women, so much of love and so much of energy around. I'm waking up at 7 in the morning, going to sleep at 3 in the morning. So it's hectic, but I guess like it's a once in a lifetime experience which Mamta Di has given me, and I'm going to get the best out of it. Had politicians done their job, राजनीति जो करते हैं वो अपना काम कर लेते तो हमको आने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. और अगर कोई आना चाहते हैं वो कोई भी आ सकता है, आप आ सकते हैं, ये आ सकते हैं, यहाँ पे 10 लोग हैं वो आ सकते हैं. राजनीति जो भी करता है, हाँ, अब अगर आप बोलते हैं कि मैं इंसान का सेवा करने आया हूँ तो वो कन्विंसिंग नहीं होता है. आपको ये काम के हिसाब से देखना चाहिए कि ये मेरा काम है, मैं काम लेके आई हूँ, आई नीड टू डिलीवर. सो व्हेन इट बिकम्स दैट, इट बिकम्स ईजियर. एंड आई रियली डोंट थिंक कि अगर कोई अभिनेत्री होता है, वो अभिनय करता है कि कोई भी फील्ड में उसको राजनीति में नहीं आना चाहिए. दीज आर वेरी स्टूपिड थिंग्स दैट पीपल टॉक अबाउट.
मिथुन दा अपने आप को कोबरा बोल रहे हैं. आपके पास कोई अपना डायलॉग है?
मैं तो कोबरा नहीं, मैं इंसान हूँ भाई.
डायलॉग या
नहीं, मैं नहीं, मुझे माफ कर दीजिए.